Alright guys, Nick Fix here. We're going to take out the jam nut off the tie rod. And then we're going to take the boot off. Now remember, when you do this, you gotta make a marker where you had this tie rod at. Because you don't want to have uneven tie wear. But you're going to have it anyway because you have to go get wheel alignment still. But it's just going to be enough to get you to a wheel alignment place to do the wheel alignment. So we're going to take this nut off. This tie rod is completely gone, so I gotta replace it. Gotta replace the whole suspension on this vehicle. But this is how you take it off. Now the jam nut's off. I'm getting all new hardware, so this is not gonna be like this no more. Now all you gotta do is use this, a pair of pliers, just to get this off. I just gotta get underneath it. I can't even get underneath it. Hold on. I'm trying to get underneath this tie rod and I can't. Come on, I'm having trouble getting underneath it. Come on. There we go. I just had it. There we go. I got it. Alright, there we go. She's out. Use any pair of pliers to get this off. I'm going to get the master pliers for this. The set. And there's a little clip back here that you have to pop out with a screwdriver to get it to remove. I have the original pliers to make this come back to normal with the clip. So basically you put the clip in here and then you squeeze it tight and then it puts the clip back originally instead of using tie strips. I have the clips for this to use this pliers. These are special pliers from Amazon. So we got to take off the clip that's in here. Well, maybe I could pull it out. Let's see. Nah, she's not going to come out. Alright, we're going to have to use a screwdriver to get it out.